Hello everyone, this is your friend Manak from Civil Center and I'm back with another west facing plan of a duplex residential building. So this is basically a G+1 residential building having two numbers of floors. And let us have a brief overview of the plan. So this is a duplex or a G+1 building and it has a built up area of 1242 square feet. Now let us have a look at the dimensions of the built up area. As you can see, the built up area of the ground floor has a dimensions of 36 feet and 34 feet 6 inches. So this is the dimensions of the built up area. Now let us have a look at the setbacks provided. So if you don't know what is the setback, you can watch our video. Briefly, setback is the distance which is left from the boundary wall to the building construction area. So it has various purpose like it providing space for people to pass by and also for ventilation purposes. Now at the rear side or the back side we have provided a setback of 2 feet 6 inches as you can see here, and at the left side and the right side, that is, we have provided a setback of 2 feet both along the left side and along the right side as you can see here. Now at the front we have given a setback of 5 feet. So these were the setbacks of the building, and both the plans of the ground floor as well as the first floor, as you can see here, has two numbers of bedrooms. Now the privacy. The plan has been designed in such a way that two separate families can live in both the floors, which is given by the or achieved by the staircase. As you can see, the staircase is separate and can be separately used by the persons residing in the first floor as well as the ground floor. So now let us have a discussion about the aesthetic aspects of this plan. As you can see, at the front we have given a setback of 5 feet, so we can provide a beautiful lawn here and also some sitting area along with some spaces for keeping flower vases. So this will give a beautiful look to the front side of the building. Also at the front we have the staircase, so we can give some designs here, and also some ventilators or some modern designs can be used at the staircase portion, which will also add to the front look of the building. So these were the discussions about the aesthetics of the building. Now let us discuss about the plan in details. As you can see, the entrance is through the west side and this is the portico. Now the portico size is 12 feet into 14 feet 5 inches. This size is sufficient for keeping a sedan car and minimum three numbers of two-wheelers. So one four-wheeler and three numbers of two-wheelers can be kept here, and some space will be left for persons to pass by and enter the house. Now we have a staircase here, which is a dog-leg staircase of standard sizes, and the entrance to the ground floor is through the drawing-cum-dining room. Now we can put two numbers of sofa in this portion of the drawing-cum-dining room. Drawing room has a size of 13 feet 11 inches into 19 feet 5 inches. The TV can be adjusted along this portion along with a center table. Now as you can see here, this master bedroom is at the southwest corner. So the southwest is the best position of the master bedroom as per VASTU. This master bedroom has a size of 14 feet 8 inches into 14 feet. So it is sufficient size for a king size bed and also sofa and a TV set and cupboards, dressing table. So all these elements can be accommodated easily in this master bedroom, and also we have two windows with one window at the front side. So sufficient ventilation and as well as sunlight can be found in this master bedroom. Now in this master bedroom we also have an attached toilet. Now in this toilet we can keep a commode and as well as a wash basin as well as shower area. Dimensions of this toilet is 8 feet into 5 feet, which is a good size. Now as we move on, beyond the drawing room we have a dining area, which means an adjacent kitchen must be given. So this kitchen we have given here of size 8 feet into 7 feet 7 inches. So the dining room is adjacent to the kitchen. Now it is also to be observed that if you observe, the best position of kitchen as per VASTU is the southeast portion, which is exactly the portion or the direction which we have here. As you can see, the southeast corner is the kitchen, which is the best position as per Vastu. And also, as you can see here, the northeast corner is this one, in which we have the Puja Room. Puja Room has dimensions of 11 feet 7 inches into 4 feet. We also have a bedroom here of size 11 feet 7 inches into 14 feet. Now, as we've observed in this plan, all the rooms are spacious and well ventilated, as well as the master bedroom mainly, which is the center of attraction as it is at the front with a brilliant exterior front look of the building. Now let us move on to the first floor plan. At the first floor, what is different? At the first floor we have a brilliant open terrace. So this open terrace has a dimension of 12 feet into 14 feet 5 inches. So we can do barbecue, we can do party, you can sit for family gatherings, everything can be done here in this open terrace, as well as you can do plant or put some flower vessels for gardening purpose. Now the master bedroom and the bedroom have the same sizes as you can see here. Now we have given access to this open terrace from this bedroom, which will increase the aeration and relaxation among the occupants of this bedroom. The drawing cum dining room, the kitchen, is at the same position as in the ground floor, and in the first floor we have provided a storeroom in place of the puja room which we had provided in the ground floor. As you can see here, this is the first floor plan, having 2 numbers of toilet, 1 attached, 1 common, 2 numbers of bedroom, a brilliant open terrace. This open terrace also will give a feeling of relaxation among the occupants of this building. So that's all friends for today, and the door window schedule we had discussed in the previous video, so we'll skip that portion. So friends, if you have any questions or any doubts or queries regarding your building plan, you can comment below, and if you want to make your customized building plan from us, you can contact us directly. The number is given in the description. So friends, how did you find this video? Please comment below and stay connected with us. So this is Manak signing off. Bye bye.